my beloved cat fanatics, it's me again, Kathy, your Ilocana, Ilongga, Bisaya gal. Welcome back to my channel, and for tonight's video, because it's already evening here in Las Vegas, I am going to a Christmas dinner dun sa pinagtatrabahuan ko na office, and together with our staff and our disciplines. And of course, we are going to bring our plus ones, and obviously, ang plus one ko ay si Beb ko. Ayan. And no, we're just gonna have a simple but fine dinner at a restaurant called Fogo de Chao. And then magkakaroon kami ng parang kasiyahan lang and a little bit of game with unlimited meats and wines. And for sure, we are all gonna enjoy tonight. And this is also our way of saying thank you to our staff for working very, very hard, especially this whole year at saka sa pandemic. They're all there actively working and serving the community. So yon, ito po ang ating pa-thank you sa kanila. So stay tuned. Already seated in the room that we reserved, and so there's still a couple of people coming. We're still waiting for people to come, but this room is already open for us. We were supposed to have this one at 7 o'clock, but I guess there's another party that came here and they were not done until 7:30, and then by the time we get everything ready and stuff, yun, almost 8 o'clock na, but it's okay, it's worth it. They don't even have time to think if you want it or not. Yeah.
plain steak?
Plain steak. I'm good for now. Thank you so much.
Why don't you want plain steak? Okay. Can you this one?
What is this?
Why don't you want?
Plain. I feel pressured.
So who chose that place?
This place? I think Bajon.
Medium rare.
Medium rare.
Please help me with your thumbs. One more.
Thank you.
For you? Sounds good.
So if I can kind of have everybody's attention, as you guys look around the room, most folks you probably don't even know because of the nature of our business, right? You see each other a lot on the text. We do a lot of communicating, and that's all day, every day. But that's just the nature of our business. But and due to COVID, we've even had some hires where I've never even seen. You know. Right, McKenna?
Yes, we just went tonight.
She's been working for us for a while, very, very busy, but I didn't even know who she was. But she said, "You are first?" "Oh yeah, right over here." But since COVID, as most of you know, it's been very difficult, and especially for the clinicians and the nature of what you do. One of the things I have committed to is that because of the nature of the business and the work that we do, you guys do a phenomenal job, right? Every day that you go out, you endanger your health trying to care for those who we know need us, right? But that's the nature of the business in terms of what we've chosen to do in terms of caring for people. I got with the staff this year and I said I wanted to try to do something to show my appreciation for you guys. And that's why I started soliciting to see who all would come out, because I wanted to show my appreciation for all of the work that you guys do, because you guys do an amazing job. We deal with all different types of patients. Some patients are very, very difficult. And one of the things that I say is that it's my job, it's my responsibility to make sure that I take care of you. Because you can't do what you need to do unless I care for you and make sure that you guys are situated, and that's what I've been committed to doing. And so I want to thank you guys for coming out. I want to thank you guys for bringing your loved ones out. And I just want to show my appreciation for you guys. And we're not done in terms of what we want to do for you guys to show our appreciation. You guys will see some other things that I got in the works for you guys as well at the end of the year. But with that, what I like to do is that I kind of like to start at this table and go around, and you can kind of introduce yourself. I'm putting you on the spot. Right? So if you guys could.
I knew I sat at the wrong table.
Yeah. So if you guys could introduce your one, and if you have a significant other, and then just kind of say what it is that you do.
Should I stand up, introduce
Whatever you're comfortable with. Right, we're family in here.
Okay, my name is Jade, occupational therapist. Here's my husband,
Plus one.
Andrew. Plus one, yeah. You've probably seen him more than me, or the
Yeah.
nurse, or somebody else know me. That's it.
Okay. Thanks, Jay.
Hello, everyone. I'm Candace. I'm one of the registered nurses here, and I love working for You Are First. I started working here once before, and I left and came back.
Throw it out there.
I couldn't resist. And I came from Houston, Texas, and I love being here, working for the company. And this is my boo, John. Hey, boo. Nice to meet everyone.
Okay, so we can go to this table.
Hi, I'm Julia. I'm one of the nurses, and I've been with the company for about 4 years.
Yes, that's Amelia. She's been with us for a while. You, sir?
Hi, my name is Joseph, physical therapist.
I'm Joan. I've been with the company since May. I'm a registered nurse. I really enjoy being with the company compared to where I've been before. And this is Nancy, and she's also a nurse. I'm trying to recruit, but we'll see.
I'm the intake coordinator. I've been with You Are First for about a year and a half.
Yeah.
Going on a year and a half. Again, I've been places that are unfavorable to work, but I am very, very, very thankful to be part of the team at You Are First. You guys are wonderful. Everybody's kind of turned into family, so
Yeah.
it's been a very nice job opportunity, and I am thankful. And this is my husband, Chris.
Nice to meet you guys.
I was sitting there. I'm too tiny to do those. Yeah, I'm Kathy. I'm the office manager. I've been with the company all in all for 5 years. I'm the, let's say, the oldest, the remaining one, and everybody's new. And I love working for Strong Market. Gave me so much opportunities and a chance as well to be a part of this family. And now I know that I'm in the right place. And that's my boyfriend right there. Leo is also Alex.
Hi everyone, my name is Patricia, I'm a registered nurse, and like Joan and Aubrey, I've been in some places that are unfavorable, and this is an amazing place to work. I love it, I'm so happy. I'm looking for some more as the census grows higher, and I'm just very thrilled to be here. My husband JJ, who keeps me in line, and thank you for having us.
All right.
And for dinner.
Yes. All right, hi, I'm McKenna. I'm a physical therapist assistant. I'm pretty new to the company as well, but like Aubrey and Kathy said, it's truly been like family. You guys have all been super supportive, and I love communicating through all the messages. You guys are always so fun. So thank you guys for helping me in my new job.
Hi, I'm Leah. This is my husband John. I'm an RN. That's it.
Hi everyone, my name is Hazel, so I'm going to be your community liaison. So I'm going to be starting early next year, and this is my boyfriend Jason. Hello. I look forward to meeting all of you. Everybody's there,
Hi, I'm Yvonne. I'm from New York. I just came here from there in September. I started
Welcome.
here. I'm an RN, and I love it. Love my job. I haven't said that in a long time.
That's good.
We missed it.
Hello. I'm Cassie. I'm Mark's wife. Just awesome.
I told you guys. Listen to me. There's the evidence right here. So you see, I got couple of bosses in
Can we
there.
message you directly?
Jeez, Larry. Can I get your number? Jeez, Larry. Bijan?
My name is Bijan, and I am the office assistant. That's it. Oh, and I help the bald head man.
That's my daughter. That's my daughter Kennedy right there, and this is my other daughter Sydney, and this is my mother-in-law right here.
Also not right. Used to be already.
Yeah. So this is really great. These are the kinds of things that we like to do. You know, and as most of you guys know, in terms of your interaction with us, we like to do things the right way. I always say there's no way to do things except the right way, right? I don't like cutting corners. I like doing things the right way, because at the end of the day, those folks that we go see, right? Those folks trust that we're going to come and do what we were hired to do, right? And so you guys do a phenomenal job, and I want to continue to do everything that I can in terms of taking care of you and putting you guys in positions to do what we hired you to do, right? And so when patients see you guys coming, you know, they know. I mean, I get the phone calls all the time. You know, this is the first time I've actually been in a position where patients that were discharging, they have nothing but rave reviews to say about the staff and the level of care that you know, that you guys are providing. The only thing I'm trying to get them to do now is to go out on the internet and say those reviews and put you guys' names out there, put the company name out there. But that's a whole nother step there. But Hazel going to work with us in terms of getting us to the next level in terms of branding and a lot of other things that we got planned for the new year, for the upcoming year. So we're planning exponential growth starting in January. It's going to be a process, but we got some very aggressive plans. So, you know, as you guys know, I try to give you guys a heads up when all of a sudden we get ready to get an influx, so you guys can prepare yourselves. I know you're ready for it, Patricia. Patricia's always telling me, I'm ready, I want more. So, and with that, what we wanted to do also, we wanted to have a little fun, because years ago when we had a Christmas party, we did the White Elephant Day, right? And so with that, I'll turn that over to Kathy. She's in charge of that, her and the office lady, so she'll pick up with that.
Thank you.
Well, I'm getting call from our individual system. We're gonna get excited. So
We'll chime in. We'll chime in.
So, if you're not familiar with the White Elephant game, there's actually different kinds of rules. So, the people that brought gift, you're gonna pick a number here. And then, if you guys all got the one who picked number 1, so want to go here, pick any gift, and open it in front of us. And then, the number 2, she will have a chance to either open a new one, or if she likes the number 1's gift, she can steal it. But the thing is, you can only steal the gift 3 times. If that's already the 3rd time, then it's yours.
That's right.
Yeah, and you have to open it. Yes. So may I please have the people that brought gifts?
Shoulder wrap, spa treatment. facial steamer.
Maybe stolen.
That's a stealer right there.
Got number 2.
Oh, go for me.
No, I'm eating. Let's see.
It's gonna be Alright.
Don't drop it. I'm sorry, I just don't want her to drop it. Talavera. It's a pottery from Mexico called Talavera. Painted specifically.
Which number 4.
So if someone steals from you, then you can go steal from somebody else.
Who wants to steal from you? Cat?
What?
I'll take my
I forgot that. Would she still more numbers, so I'll say hello and goodbye.
Because I'm coming in after you. I'm 5.
What number are you?
That's at the bottom.
Yeah,
That's a mark right there.
I'll help you, Kathy. You help me.
Yeah, wave your arms scratching. Like you're in distress.
What is it?
Mark Jacobs.
Oh, wow.
What is that?
Mark Jacobs.
Kathy's my friend and I don't want to steal from
Never heard of it.
Number 5.
That's me. Dang it, Kathy.
Wireless headset.
Hey, I'll trade you for mine.
Number 6.
Mine went out.
Don't get too comfortable with those, okay?
I know.
Wine glasses.
Don't steal it.
Number 7.
Number 7, I'll put in the car before I go steal my kids. I love
Alright, so now it's your
I
turn
didn't
again.
have to go open or steal from somebody.
Yeah, now you go to go open or steal another one.
I gotta go again?
Yeah.
Should I steal or should I get it?
Steal. Or go steal whatever you want. Oh, you're being nice. Better than headsets.
Number 8.
Oh, we need to get you.
Aubrey about to get jacked again.
She made me.
That's like the cop.
She made me do that. Exactly.
Oh. Yes, also. Yes. A silver. Nice. Number 9.
Oh, yeah, that's me.
The wine glass.
The bottle.
Don't mess with it. She'll touch you.
She's good at that.
Alright, a $50 gift card and some candy.
Oh,
Oh, my. Number 10. Number 10.
Kevin, you have to go again?
Yes. Yeah, she. Hair care. Thingy? Yeah. Number 11. I don't
Cassie went up to her back patio. Well, at least you keep it in the family.
Yeah. Yes. Candle. Number 12 in there?
Oh no, it's right there.
Yeah, I hear Wheel of Fortune's giving away trips. Really? That sounds like you're traveling fast.
That was such a good
This is for the travel down the road. Well, now I know where to go.
Number 13.
Oh, that would be me. Is that it? That's the last gift? Oh, it's 3? Like a trick box? Yeah, I know.
He doesn't get the
You were avoiding sweets. You got sweets.
What is it?
Chocolate bar and $35 gift card.
Number 14. Oh, that's why you got the stool. Okay, last gift.
Uh-oh. Yeah.
Game on, Miss Cambridge. It's game.
Oh, do I want this over here? Or this? Is there anything left?
Yeah, there's one.
Sorry, I love you.
What did you get? What was it?
It was a electric wine.
Oh.
And wine.
Get that third.
Get mine! Get mine! Huh?